Part 2. Tommy lay in bed, startled by the gunshot that rang out in their Nebraskan farmhouse. Gunshots weren't unusual, but this one felt different, closer, inside the house. As he listened to the eerie silence that followed, Tommy's curiosity grew. He glanced at the clock, unsure of the hour, and tiptoed towards the window, drawn by the faint moonlight filtering through the curtains. Outside, the wind whispered through the trees, adding to the sense of unease. Tommy hesitated, torn between staying hidden and venturing into the darkness to uncover the source of the disturbance.